That made me feel kind of sad.
We're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television. We're a kid. We're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television. We're a kid.
Nice.
Nice. I'm ready.
But also a little mad. Something feels off. Yeah.
And we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television. We're a kid to be a kid.
Hey there, green guy. You look like you just licked the battery. Relax, I'm Pink Bear. Welcome to the neighborhood of floating brains.
Oh, fair enough.
Want to hear what the bruh sound effect sounds like when it's 20 times faster with a fisheye? Sure. Here we go.
Chuck E. Cheese.
We are proud to be part of a movement.
Magic of storytelling. Be inspired.
KXY4 teamed up with local